Okay, to make this chicken, we're gonna season the flour, we're gonna dredge an egg, and then we're gonna put it in cornflakes. And then we're gonna air fry it. It'll be the best chicken you've ever had. I'm gonna season this flour with paprika, garlic, and salt and pepper. So first thing we're gonna do is flour this up really nicely. Okay, first dredge. We have to crush these cornflakes, so let's do that now. All right, come here, all right? Secret, top secret. You want crispy chicken, you gotta squeeze the bread in it. When it comes to your panko, your breadcrumbs, your cornflakes, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it hard, all right? Don't worry about it, it's gonna be fine. Look at that. So we're gonna cook this for 16 minutes at 385 Fahrenheit. Just sitting here waiting for that to finish cooking. If you like what you're watching, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. I love you forever if you do it. This sandwich is gonna come out sick. I know you're gonna love it. I can't wait for you to try it at home. She done, and she looked good. Raisin cane sauce. I thought at first it was ranch, but I guess it's not. It's like mayonnaise mixed with a bunch of seasonings. Oh, interesting. So typically it's mayonnaise, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce. Is it Worcestershire sauce or is it Worcestershire sauce? Everyone comment what it is. Let me know in the comments. Worcestershire. Garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. You know what? I think I gave Raisin Cane's a little too much credit. It's a very simple sauce. So let's make it. I might replace mayo with light sour cream. I do this a lot in my short form videos. I make a lot of chicken sandwiches and it works out great. I gotta be honest, this looks like the real deal. Let's get the real thing out here. Hold on. There's real cane sauce, okay? That's with mayonnaise. And there's mine. A little bit of different color. I kind of eyeballed some stuff. Raisin cane sauce. All right, that's pretty good. Mine. No shit. I swear to God, I'm not making this shit up. This is way better. That's wicked good. That's wicked good. It's the same thing without the kick. So I bet you there's a little bit of cayenne in Raisin Cane's. Hold on. Little sprinkle, little sprecka, little sprecka. That is it. No way. All right, we made that. Let's make the sandwich. Let's see them together. Since Raisin Cane's is actually 3 chicken tenders and this is just a chicken thigh, I want to make it similar. So I'm gonna cut this chicken. Here's my sandwich and you can just tell the chicken color looks way better than this one. Raisin Cane's is so pale, it just, ugh. Can you believe this is 830 calories? I know, I'm never gonna get over that. 830 calories for this one. Mine comes out to 440 calories. Half of this. All right, let's try them and I'll tell you if it's close to as good as that or if it isn't. I'm gonna be totally honest with you. Oh yeah, here we go. That was delicious. Let's try Raisin Cane's now. All right, first off, I can tell this is chicken breast. It's dry right now. It was probably a little juicier about an hour ago when I picked it up, but the bread is super dense. That I noticed right away. The bread it feels thick. The thick, dry chicken breast mixed with the thick bread that they're using, not very pleasant at all. At the end of the day, this was crunchy, delicious, juicy, and awesome. And this is dense, dry, and wicked high on calories. I'll be making my own again for sure. I definitely won't be going to Raisin Cane's. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. There'll be plenty more videos coming out just like this one. This was a ton of fun, and I can't wait to make the next one. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.